It feels like every Ubuntu release brings a handful of improvements. But every once in a while, a version arrives that makes people stop and ask whether this is the beginning of a new era. Ubuntu 26.10 is shaping up to be one of those releases. While it may look familiar at first glance, once you dig beneath the surface, it becomes clear that Canonical has made several important decisions that could change how millions of Linux users experience their desktops and servers. Whether you're a long-time Linux enthusiast, a developer, a student, or someone thinking about leaving Windows behind, Ubuntu 26.10 introduces changes that are impossible to ignore. One of the biggest stories surrounding Ubuntu 26.10 is its focus on modern hardware. Computers today are evolving faster than ever, with newer processors, integrated AI capabilities, faster SSDs, and more advanced graphics hardware becoming common. Ubuntu 26.10 embraces these changes by shipping with a significantly newer Linux kernel, bringing expanded hardware compatibility, better power management, and improved performance across laptops, desktops, and workstations. Users installing Ubuntu on brand new hardware should notice fewer driver issues, improved battery life, and better support for the latest AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA technologies. Performance has also received considerable attention. Ubuntu has always balanced stability with speed, but this release makes the desktop feel noticeably more responsive. Applications launch faster, system animations appear smoother, and resource management has been optimized to reduce unnecessary background activity. Even systems with modest specifications benefit from these improvements, making Ubuntu feel lighter despite adding new features. These optimizations may not be dramatic individually, but together they create a much more polished user experience. Another major change comes from the latest GNOME desktop environment. Ubuntu 26.10 includes one of the newest GNOME releases, introducing refinements throughout the interface. The Activities overview feels faster, workspace switching is smoother, notifications are cleaner, and many of the default applications have been updated with refreshed designs. File management is more efficient. The Settings application has been reorganized for easier navigation, and accessibility options continue to improve, making the operating system more welcoming for everyone. Wayland continues its journey toward becoming the default display server for nearly every user. While Ubuntu has supported Wayland for several years, Ubuntu 26.10 demonstrates just how mature the technology has become. Multi-monitor support is more reliable, touchscreen interactions have improved, fractional scaling works better, and graphical performance is more consistent across different hardware configurations. For many users, Wayland simply works without requiring any manual adjustments, which represents a major milestone in Linux desktop development. Security remains one of Ubuntu's strongest selling points, and version 26.10 builds on that reputation. Canonical has expanded security protections throughout the operating system with updated sandboxing technologies, newer cryptographic libraries, and improved application isolation. System updates remain simple and reliable, while additional protections help reduce the risks posed by malicious software or compromised applications. Security improvements often happen behind the scenes, but they play an essential role in maintaining user trust. Developers will also find Ubuntu 26.10 particularly attractive. Programming languages, compilers, and development tools have all received updates. Python, GCC, LLVM, Git, Docker-related components, and container technologies continue evolving, giving developers access to newer capabilities without needing extensive manual installations. This makes Ubuntu an excellent platform for software development, web services, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and data science projects. Speaking of AI, Ubuntu 26.10 arrives during a period when artificial intelligence is becoming central to computing. While Ubuntu itself is not packed with flashy AI assistants, the operating system provides an increasingly capable platform for running AI frameworks locally. Improved GPU support, updated CUDA compatibility where applicable, better container management, and newer development libraries make Ubuntu an attractive operating system for machine learning researchers and AI enthusiasts who want maximum flexibility. Package management has also become more refined. Snap packages continue to receive improvements in startup speed, reliability, and compatibility. Canonical has invested considerable effort into making Snap applications launch faster while maintaining the security advantages of containerized software. Traditional apt packages remain fully supported as well, giving users the freedom to choose the installation method they prefer. This flexibility remains one of Ubuntu's greatest strengths because it accommodates both experienced Linux users and newcomers. Ubuntu's installer also continues to evolve. Installing the operating system has become simpler, clearer, and more reliable. Better partition detection, improved encryption options, and streamlined installation steps reduce confusion for first-time users. The installer provides helpful explanations during setup, making it easier for users migrating from Windows or Mac OS to understand their choices without needing extensive Linux knowledge. Networking improvements deserve attention as well. Ubuntu 26.10 offers enhanced Wi-Fi compatibility, faster network initialization, and improved VPN integration. Bluetooth reliability has also improved, making wireless headphones, keyboards, and mice connect more consistently. These quality-of-life improvements may seem small individually, but they eliminate many of the frustrations that users previously encountered during everyday computing. Gaming on Linux continues to grow, and Ubuntu 26.10 benefits from the remarkable progress made by Valve, Proton, Mesa, and the wider Linux gaming community. Updated graphics drivers deliver higher frame rates, improved compatibility, and better Vulkan performance. More Windows games run successfully through Proton than ever before, making Ubuntu an increasingly practical option for gamers who want to explore Linux without sacrificing their favorite titles. Power efficiency has become another major focus. Laptop users can expect smarter CPU scheduling, improved thermal management, and better battery optimization. Combined with kernel improvements and GNOME refinements, Ubuntu 26.10 helps portable devices stay cooler while extending battery life during everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, and video streaming. Cloud computing remains at the heart of Canonical's strategy, and Ubuntu 26.10 continues strengthening its position in this space. Updated cloud images, improved virtualization support, enhanced Kubernetes integration, and refined server components make deployment easier for businesses and developers alike. Ubuntu remains one of the world's most widely used operating systems for cloud infrastructure, and each release reinforces that reputation. The software ecosystem has expanded as well. The App Center continues to mature with a cleaner interface, better search capabilities, clearer application descriptions, and more consistent update management. Discovering new software feels easier than before, reducing one of the barriers that new Linux users sometimes face. Customization also benefits from ongoing improvements. Ubuntu's appearance settings provide more control over themes, accent colors, wallpapers, and display scaling. Users who enjoy personalizing their desktop can still install GNOME extensions, while newcomers can make meaningful visual changes without diving into complicated configuration files. Under the hood, Ubuntu 26.10 includes hundreds of updated libraries and system components that improve stability and compatibility. Countless bugs have been fixed, memory management has been refined, storage performance has been optimized, and overall system reliability has improved through thousands of contributions from developers around the world. These changes rarely make headlines, but they collectively create a smoother and more dependable operating system. Perhaps the most significant aspect of Ubuntu 26.10 is not a single feature, but the overall direction it represents. Canonical appears focused on creating an operating system that feels modern without sacrificing stability. Rather than chasing experimental ideas, Ubuntu continues refining the experience users rely on every day. Faster performance, stronger security, better hardware support, improved developer tools, and an increasingly polished desktop all combine into an operating system that feels more mature than ever. For existing Ubuntu users, upgrading to version 26.10 offers meaningful improvements across nearly every aspect of the system. Daily workflows become smoother, compatibility expands, and the desktop feels more responsive. For newcomers considering Linux for the first time, Ubuntu 26.10 presents one of the easiest entry points available. Installation is straightforward, documentation is extensive, community support remains excellent, and software availability continues growing. Of course, because Ubuntu 26.10 is an interim release rather than a long-term support version. Some users running production systems may still choose to remain on an LTS release for maximum stability and extended support. However, enthusiasts who enjoy accessing the newest technologies will likely find Ubuntu 26.10 extremely appealing. It provides an early look at innovations that will eventually mature into future LTS releases. In the end, saying that Ubuntu 26.10 changed everything may sound dramatic, but there is genuine substance behind the statement. It isn't about one revolutionary feature or a complete redesign. Instead, it's the combination of dozens of thoughtful improvements that transform the overall experience. Better hardware compatibility, faster performance, enhanced security, a refined GNOME desktop, stronger developer support, improved gaming capabilities, smarter power management, and a continually evolving software ecosystem all push Ubuntu further ahead as one of the leading Linux distributions available today. Whether you use Linux for work, study, gaming, development, content creation, or simply everyday computing, Ubuntu 26.10 demonstrates that the platform continues moving forward with confidence, proving once again why Ubuntu remains one of the most influential operating systems in the open source world.